Hello guys, let's see how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. But first, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And so let's get into the video. First, click on these three lines and you will see this option. Now click on settings and privacy. From here, click on account center. Now click on personal details. From here we have to go to account ownership and control. Now select deactivation or deletion. Now if you have multiple accounts, choose the account which you want to delete and click on deleting your account permanent. Now choose a reason why you want to delete your account and press continue, and that's all. After doing these things, your account will be permanently deleted. Thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.